good day to all of you. We are going to read a poem, A Meadow's Surprises, of Class 7th Honeycomb. It is composed by Louis Brandt Philip. In this poem, poet wants to say us that there are several surprises in the nature surrounding us. If we want to know, we can find them. Let's read this poem. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. In the first stanza, poet says, Meadows have surprises. Meadows means grassland. In the grassland, there are several wonderful things that surprise us. You can find them if you look. If you look, you can find several surprises in the meadows. Walk softly through the velvet grass. He wants to say us, if we walk on the grass, you will feel it is very soft and you will feel like a velvet cloth. Velvet is a kind of cloth. It is very silky, very soft. If you walk on the grass, you will feel it is so soft like a velvet cloth. And listen by the brook. And if you want to listen, you can hear the sound of flowing water of the river nearby. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. Buttercup is a kind of flower. It looks like a cup, so buttercup is a kind of flower. You may see a butterfly. Butterfly is a very attractive insect. It always sits on the flowers and butterfly sits on the buttercup flowers. It unfolds its drinking straws. Butterfly unfold means open. Butterfly open its drinking organ to sip the nectar. Nectar means sweet juice of the flower. Butterfly open its drinking organ to take sweet juice of the flower. In third stanza, you may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. Though at first you may not see him, when he hops you will. A rabbit is very quiet animal. It lives in the peaceful atmosphere. You may scare a rabbit. When you were present there, it is scared. It is sitting quietly anywhere. When you go there, it is scared. And it go anywhere. When it hops means jump. When it jump to go anywhere, you will notice that it is here. Rabbit is here. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. A dandelion is a kind of plant whose structure is fuzzy, whose head is fuzzy. In the starting, it was golden color, it was yellow colors, and after some days, it becomes white. And petals, when you blow, it flutter in the air like a parachute. In the next stanza, explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall trees, the ants' amazing mound. In this stanza, poet want to say us, you should explore, you should find out meadows, houses. There are houses in the meadows. You should find out the burrows in the ground. There are burrows, there is houses, some small insects and small animals you should find. A nest beneath tall trees, tall grasses, and the ants' amazing mound. There are tall grasses in the meadows. They made their nest. Reptiles and small insects, small animals made their houses, and smallest insect and made their house, that is called mound. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. He says there are lots of surprises in the meadow and he has many things to tell us, but you may discover these yourself. He wants to say us you should discover, you should find out yourself these surprises, these wonderful things. If you look and listen, if you look carefully and listen carefully, you will find out, you will discover also. So you should find out the wonderful things in the meadows or in the nature. Have a nice day.